Hi class, welcome to week 2 of the Synoptic Gospels. I wanted to chat with you a bit about your survey for the Gospel of Mark. It's the most time-consuming aspect of inductive Bible study, but will be the most worthwhile when you complete this survey. In a survey, you're going to take a look at the Gospel of Mark. I advise reading it through once, kind of rapidly, and then reading it through again kind of more slowly. And as you read, give chapter titles to each chapter of the gospel. You will want them to be short and memorable. Especially that's helpful if you're going to preach or teach from the book later. You'll be able to do that. And you'll want them to be descriptive. Then begin to look for how the gospel fits together. What acts fit together, where is Jesus? What is he doing? Is he in a certain city? Is he doing certain things? Is he with certain people? Those are the kind of questions that you can ask yourself. And that's for part 1 of the assignment. For part 2 of the assignment, you're going to look for the relationships between the units and subunits that you found for part 1. When you look for a relationship, Bauer and Traina describe those as structural relationships, and there are such things as causation, substantiation, climax, recurrence, interrogation, and so forth, as are discussed in your text. I'm going to give you an example from the book of Romans because I don't want to give away what you're looking for in the Gospel of Mark. But in the book of Romans, in chapter 12, verse 1, you see the word therefore. I used to hear all the time when I was taking inductive Bible study, if you see the word therefore, ask what it is there for. And in the book of Romans, the therefore in chapter 12, verse 1 connects the first 11 chapters to the last 5 chapters of the book. Paul is saying, because of these beliefs that I've just laid out for you in the chapters 1 through 11, this is how you should conduct yourself. And so he relates our beliefs to our actions. Another relationship present in the book of Romans is found in chapter 1 through chapter 3, where Paul states the problem of sin to verse 3:20, where he says, for all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. And then he begins the solution to the problem of sin is the grace of God which saves us. That's a tremendous relationship, and that's called interrogation or problem solution. I'm not sure you'll find that in the Gospel of Mark, but I hope that you can see the beauty of finding a structural relationship in the book as a whole. I hope you have fun with the survey of the Gospel of Mark. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I'll be available on Saturday and on Sunday and on Monday and in the evenings. Thanks a lot. Have a great week.